Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something super cool to share with you. We are kicking up a brand new series all about making your own virtual assistant using Python, as you have seen in this video. But before we dive right in, let me break it down for you. If you are watching this, you are probably curious about AI, and that's awesome. But before we get started, here are a few things you should know before taking this course. Who should take this course? This course is designed for beginners who have a basic understanding of Python. If you have already watched my Python tutorial playlist, you are all set to jump into creating your AI assistant. If not, don't worry, I have got you covered. Just take a look at the playlist first and you will be well prepared to tackle the world of AI. What will you learn? Now let's talk about what you will learn in this course. We'll guide you through the process of creating your own virtual assistant, and we're not stopping there. We're going to make it powerful by integrating not one but two AI technologies into it, ChatGPT and Google Bot. So if you are ready to embark on this exciting AI adventure, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. In conclusion, I can't wait to see you in the upcoming lessons. We are going to learn, build and explore the incredible world of AI together. If you are ready to take your Python skills to the next level and create your own AI assistant, this course is for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the first lesson. See you in the next video.